Hi, it's Ben from Powered Now here. Now, we're currently doing a series on the changes to the tax rules that are coming in for people who are over £10,000 but under £85,000. So you're not registered for VAT, but you are paying tax. Now, if you want to learn about this, I suggest you go back and watch the previous videos in this series. Hopefully we explain these changes which are coming. However, I was just going to wrap these videos up and I thought actually most of these videos have come across as slightly negative. People don't really like tax. People don't really like change. So those two things colliding is probably a bad thing in most people's books. So I want to talk about 3 advantages to the changes which are coming in for income tax self-assessment. So hopefully this will make you feel warm and fuzzy about the changes which HMRC are bringing in. So advantage number 1. This is the first one. I think this is a big one actually. So in the old regime, you'd get to the end of the year, you'd fill in this big paper form, you'd file it off to HMRC, and then they'd tell you how much they owe you. And everybody would go slightly white, hair would fall out, people wouldn't sleep, nightmare. The big advantage about doing this in a quarterly process is actually you always see how much you owe the taxman. You can keep on top of it. So you won't get these nasty surprises and shocks. So you can follow your progress and actually it'll help you budget, it'll help you organise, it'll help you stay under that VAT threshold if that's important to you. Visibility, right? What gets measured gets managed. That's a really good thing, I think, at least in my eyes. So that's advantage number 1. Okay, advantage number 2. Actually, you can eliminate costly mistakes. Now, what do I mean by that? So again, what tends to happen is you get to the end of the year and then you kind of look and you kind of scratch your head and you kind of think about all the jobs you've done over the past year and then you submit something to HMRC. Now, we're all human, right? We all make mistakes, but by doing it in a quarterly process, you can actually, you don't have to have a crazy memory. In fact, if you're using a product like Powered Now, it's really simple because you can easily go back and look over the past few months worth of invoices and expenses. It's all there. It's at your fingertips, right? It's on your phone. So it's super easy. You can submit this stuff. And if you do make a mistake, because it's on your phone, you can correct it. So you're not sending it and then sort of waiting to see what happens. You can actually review it and then you can send it. And you're doing it in a small time frame. So that's advantage number 2. You can correct mistakes. And advantage number 3, because it's online, I mean, we all live our lives online, but because it's online and it's on your phone and it's on your laptop or your Mac or your PC, you've always got access to it. Now, I'm always being asked for tax records. I've got to go back and I've got to go hunting through lots of information and paperwork. What got sent, emails, nightmare. Because it's in one place, you've always got it. And that means that when it comes to reviewing your business or trying to understand, how you're doing, you can do that really easily. So 3 advantages. First one, you're going to keep on top of it. You're going to know how much you owe the tax man at all times. You can plan for that. Number 2, you can eliminate costly mistakes because you're doing it in quarters, right? It's super easy. And number 3, you've always got it to hand. So there we go. These changes are coming. I know not everybody's going to like it. Not everyone's going to enjoy change. But hopefully this has helped you hopefully feel a bit better about it. Again, if you want to learn more about these changes for MTD for ITSA, please book a demo with Powered Now. We can just have a conversation with you about it. We will support it from April 2024. So it's coming, we know about it, and we'll make your life easy.